In today's video, our very own Michael Jackson's going to show us how to use a gas grill. Because we've been kind of scared to use it because we think it's going to blow up. But he's going to show us the right way on how to use it. Hey Mike, can you tell us what kind of grill this is that you have?
This is a gas grill.
And it's a gas grill?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's the model? What's the name of it? Is it a Brinkman?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a Brinkman grill. Sorry. Okay, and how many gas burners does it have?
Two burners.
Two burners. And what's that on the side? Is that another burner over there?
Still burning. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can I see that? So that's another burner.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And what do you use that for?
Pots.
You use that to boil things with pots and all?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Great. All right, Chef Mike. Can you tell us the first thing we need to do in order to start the gas grill?
Okay. The first thing you have to do is turn this knob here to open the gas, the propane tank. So you turn the knob this way to open it.
Oh, okay. So
This direction.
I see. So this is a propane tank.
Yeah.
And you turn it to the open position?
Yes.
Okay.
And keep turning until it stops.
Until it stops. Okay. All right.
And that will release the gas barrel.
So that releases the gas. Okay. Okay.
This way is to open.
So that way is to open.
Yeah.
All right. And what is this here? What's that green thing?
Just to know how much gas that's in.
So
the
green
knob.
means it's full.
Full. Yeah.
Okay. What does red mean? It's
It needs to
empty.
be, yeah.
Okay. All right. So you turn that. Okay.
Press and turn. It's nice.
And you press and turn those knobs. Now, did it turn on? Could you repeat that again?
Just like let the gas flow.
So you turn it on to let the gas flow.
You hear the click.
And then once you hear the click,
It should think they would know. When you do the same thing with this, just let it eventually come on.
oh, okay. So the gas has to flow in it first.
Yeah, a little. Yep.
So on this knob again, right here, okay, what do you turn it to first when you first start it?
You just turn it to here.
Turn it to high.
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll hear the clicking.
You'll turn it to high, and once you hear the clicking,
It will ignite. If it doesn't ignite, you just turn it back off and then do it again.
Okay, so you have to hear the clicking first.
Yeah.
And then if you don't hear it, you turn it back off and then turn it on again.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. So now it's on because we see the flames. Okay. Now, how do you turn it off when you're finished? Okay, so you turn the knobs to both sides to off. And then do you have to do anything over here again?
Yeah. Then you turn that knob this way to close the gas. And keep turning
Till it's tight and closed. Okay. All right. And what are you cooking today?
spare ribs.
Okay. Oh, so you're cooking spare ribs today?
Two.
2 spare ribs. Okay. Can we see you put the spare ribs on there? Okay. So these are the ribs that you're going to be cooking? Ooh, they look good. And do you put seasoning on them?
Yep.
Okay. What kind of seasoning do you use? It's a mixture?
Yeah.
Oh,
Steak seasoning.
okay. All right. And how long do you let the ribs cook? For
30 to 40 minutes.
Okay. Till they're tender or browned? Okay. Okay. And so you close the top, that helps smoke it or something? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Oh. We want to thank you, Chef Mike, for showing us how to use the gas grill. Because I tell you one thing, we sure were afraid to use it.